This is my meal prep. I just did a video on YouTube live showing you how I make my lettuce wraps, which has lettuce, turkey, English cucumber, Roma tomatoes, ginger, banana peppers, two of these two and half little cheese, and a little salt and pepper, and that is it. So keto friendly, healthy, fulfilling, all that. All right, you guys. Bye. Hi, you guys. This is my lunch. I have 2 pretzels, 5 peanuts, a slice of a pickle, my lettuce wrap that I made on live. I'm not sure what channel is going on, but I made it on ABC TV, and 1 boiled egg. So protein, veggie with sodium, that doesn't matter. Carbs, protein, meat, protein, a bunch of veggies. The sandwich has turkey meat, fresh cilantro, banana peppers, English cucumbers, Roma tomatoes, salt and pepper, some ginger, and also some wasabi. So I just threw a little everything in the mix. Not sure how it tastes, but I'm sure it would taste amazing. Good morning, you guys. So this is, I don't know what date, the 3rd time went back today. Let's start over. Welcome back, you guys. I gotta be full of energy, right? But listen, it's 7-Eleven. Hey, lucky 7-Eleven. It's 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven. It's 7-Eleven. Anyway, I'm about to eat my breakfast. Probably can't see it good because it looks bland, but it is oatmeal and bananas. Can't eat this whole entire bowl. I'm gonna eat what I can with my bananas. I have to do my meal prep. Not sure what channel is going on, but ABC TV and Unapologetically Avis. Follow both so you can keep up. I'm in writing my journey down or whatever and whatnot. Hold on, something caught my eye. But anyway, yeah. So anyways, I forgot. I lose my train of thought very easily. I told you I'm going to be doing keto, not 100%, but more like 90, because I am eating pretzels to replace chips when I need something to snack on. And I'm also eating oatmeal this morning, which I'm not a big oatmeal eater, but the cinnamon and sugar one's pretty good. Brown sugar. You can add more sugar if you want. It's just something to put in my stomach for now. I have started drinking coffee, and I've been using the sugar replacement for that as well. Oh, my lens is there. Didn't know. But that's about it. Yeah, I saw my lettuce wraps. They were so good. So good. I was in shock by how good they were. I will be doing another meal prep today. Most likely I might record again. Might go live and record. This time I'm using canned chicken. I have some more turkey meat, but I don't know yet. I let the ideas roll off my head or whatever and figure out what I want to do. Right now, I need to stop eating my oatmeal because I forgot to take a picture for my Instagram. Bye. Okay, you guys, so I made a poached egg in the microwave. Put some water in your cup. Let it boil, get really hot. Put a little vinegar and salt in there. This is a bagel, a half a bagel, I'm only eating one. This is the egg bagel. And on the egg, I got the smaller side. And, yeah, got the smaller side. And I did that. And there's the poached egg. But I didn't want mine to be all runny. I didn't do the runny one. But you could do it to however you like. And I'm just going to add some salt and pepper to it. And I baked it really well. I baked it, yeah, the bagel I baked very well. Add a little salt. I don't know, just a little more. Some pepper. I have me some coffee. I like pepper. And then there we go. You can see what it looks like. Perfect. And you could just chop it up, go over your whole egg, over your whole bagel if you like. And there's the poached egg. Well, that fell down there. But anyway, amazing. So, enjoy your breakfast, whatever you're having. And I did eat all my oatmeal, actually. I ate majority of it. It's in the trash, but I don't feel like digging in the trash. Even though all the trash been empty, but that's that. Enjoy your breakfast. I'm enjoying mine. Tessie, you just called.
Huh?
Suzanne.
Oh, I just talked to her. She asked me if I had any rooms upstairs. I said no.
You had any rooms upstairs?
Yeah, if I had any rooms upstairs. And I
You don't have any, right?
No, I said no. I'm around the 117. I said, why? You need something up there, whatever. And she said, I said, if you do, just holler down. I'll whip it to you to the staircase, you know, because I'm close. And I said, but no, I don't. I said everything. Well, I wasn't here yesterday, but I said pretty.
Yeah.
Clark's pretty good. She can get some rides over there.
Get the one off the top of the... No.
No?
It's in the laundry room.
Well, what
in front of the dryer.
There's ones in the dryer. Yeah, on that table.
Yep, yeah, that's it. Those are y'all's.
Yeah, yeah, that's where I bagged up.
So in room 1209, it looks like...
I'm back. That poached egg is amazing. That's how I like my boiled eggs. And that's basically all it is. It's a boiled egg. You don't have to have the carbs. Which the whole bagel was 43 carbs. I got only half of that. And I don't eat that many carbs a day anymore. Because, you know, I'm just lettuce wraps and chicken and stuff like that. So, yeah. The thing is, you can have carbs, but not too many carbs. Your protein needs to outweigh your carbs. And your carbs should not be over 50 grams a day. So that's where calorie counting and knowing your nutrition facts come in at. So your total carbs should not be over 50 a day. 50 is the max. 80 grams of protein is the goal. So far this is my second boiled egg. And I think boiled egg, a large egg is 70 calories. I forgot how many grams of protein. I have to check. Let me see. Protein in eggs. Yeah, 6 grams of protein. But all depends on what size it is, though. But this is the day of my life. Boring, right? I know. My lunch for today is about to be, what, 3 o'clock? But maybe my lunch, my dinner, don't know. Snacks throughout the day. They look amazing. I have, first it's lettuce. Then it's this sauce I made that's on the bottom. You can probably see a little bit right there in the corner. That's the sauce I made. And then I put my meat. I put some shredded cheese. I've put cucumbers, which is the what do you call them? English cucumbers or something. I have pickles, banana peppers, some fresh cilantro that I picked this morning. I hand picked that cilantro this morning. This is cilantro if you didn't know. I hand picked this cilantro personally this morning. And I have a little bit of wasabi on there. And that's about it. But yeah. Your girl going keto. Like I said before, I'm not 100% keto. I'm more of a 90% keto because every now and then I still eat carbs like my pretzels. Or I may want a cracker here or two to eat with my sardines or my tuna or something. So, I personally am 90%. Okay? Yeah. So anyway, it's not what you have. It's the portion size in moderation. So anyway, I have that, made that. I'm going to put it in my little handy dandy bowl. You can get this bowl from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to put them in a layer so when I'm ready to eat, I can eat. Okay? Love you guys. Make yours today.